Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Uh, Good evening, everyone. First of all, good night, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving us the opportunity to present tonight. My name is Teguh Maskuri, and I am joined by my teams, Oya Frianda, and Muhammad Habib, and Calvin Pratama. Tonight, we are going to present a topic entitled Cost Accounting, Understanding Cost for Better Business Decision. During the presentation, we will explain the basic concept of cost accounting and the different types of cost, costing method, and how cost accounting help business make a better decision. We hope our presentation we will help you understand this topic more easily. Without further, let's get started. Next slide. Okay. First, let's understand what cost accounting is. Cost accounting is a branch of accounting that records, analyze, and reports the cost of producing goods and providing service. It helps business know exactly how much they spend on raw materials, labor, and other production costs. And why is the important? Because manager need accurate cost information to set the right selling price, reduce expenses, and increase profit. In simple words, cost accounting turns financial data into useful information for better business decision. Next slide.
Okay, next we about objective of cost accounting.
Who is the second speaker? Your name?
Wahyu, Miss.
Ayu. Oke, tadi first speaker ini, Calvin ya.
Yes.
Oke,
First speaker,
Wahyu.
I Miss Teguh Maskuri, Miss.
Your name?
Teguh Maskuri.
Sorry?
And
Ah, Teguh.
secondly, Wahyu Afrianda.
Oke.
Okay. We continue about objective of cost accounting. So the first objective is cost determination, which means finding the exact cost of producing a product or service. Second is cost control. Companies monitor their spending so they can avoid unnecessary costs. Third, cost accounting supports the decision making, such as deciding prices, production levels, or investment plans. Fourth, it helps with profit planning by preparing budgets and estimating future profits. Finally, it is used for performance evaluation, allowing managers to measure how efficiently department of employees perform. Next slide.
My brother, Muhammad Habib.
Okay, for slide 4, types of cost. There are the main types of cost. The first is fixed cost. This cost say the same even if production changes. For example, factory rent remains the same every month. The second is variable cost. This cost change depends on how much the company produce. For example, if a factory makes more shirt, it needs more fabric. The last type is mixed cost. These costs have both fixed and variable parts. A good example is an electricity bill. There is usually a fixed monthly fee plus an additional charge based on electricity usage. Okay, uh, and I, Kelvin, will explain about.
Are you Kelvin?
Yes, Kelvin.
Your name?
Kelvin is it?
Yeah?
Kelvin is it?
Kelvin, right?
Why?
Kemarin yang terakhir muncul setelah dipanggil.
Cost classification. Cost also classified into product cost and period cost. Product costs are directly related to making a product. They include direct material, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. These costs become part of inventory until the product are sold. On the other hand, period costs are not directly related to production. Examples include office rent, advertising expense, and administrative salaries. These costs are recorded as expense during the accounting period in which they occur.
Okay, here we go. Uh,
Okay.
Components of product cost. Itu gue masuk back again. Product cost consists of three main component. Yang pertama, first of all, direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing cost. The first is direct materials, which raw materials used to make the product. For example, wood is the direct material for making a wooden chair. And secondly, is direct labor, which refers to the worker who directly produce the product, such as carpenter. And number three is manufacturing overhead, which includes indirect production costs like electricity, machine maintenance, and factory rent. When we add these three components together, we get the total product cost. Okay, and then next slide. Are you?
Okay, next slide is costing methods. So there are two common costing methods. The first is job order costing. So this method is used for customized products. Every customer order has its own cost calculation. Examples include construction projects, furniture making, and printing service. The second method is process costing. So this method is used for mass production where products are identical. Examples include beverage factories, cement production, and oil refineries. The main difference is the job order costing calculates cost for individual jobs, while process costing calculates average cost for large quantity of similar product. Next.
Okay, thank you, thank you. So do you really understand about this accounting things, cost accounting? When do you usually use this kind of apa namanya? This kinds of packet like that one? Kapan dibutuhkan? Kapan dibutuhkannya untuk cost accounting seperti ini? Can I ask to Wahyu?
Usually when to calculate of profit.
Yeah, how is it?
Usually when we have to calculate the profit
Oh, I see. Okay. Tugu, do you think it is important to have a cost accounting in a company or in an office? Do you think is it important to have cost accounting in an office or what is it? In a work?
Of course, the accounting is very important in office or work. Because accounting knowledge make it easier for us to economize. Okay, can we continue the presentation or
Where is Habib? Habib, where are you? Okay. Do you remember? Have you ever made a simple cost accounting? Pernah nggak bikin a simple cost accounting? With the minimum probably. Okay, answer. Ya, Win sudah 745 nih, satu grup lagi nih.
Yes, on Smith.
Yes.
When I tried to sell in the media.
Okay, I see. Thank you. Sinap, silakan di close for this presentation.
for my presentation maybe masih ada lagi cuman akuntansi di sini this accounting is not enough for one day. So that is all my presentation. Thank you for very much for your attention. I hope this presentation yang sangat singkat ini has helped you understand the basic concept of cost accounting. If you have any question, maybe want me to explain any part again.
Question is enough. I think enough. The question is already from me. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, because time is almost over for one more group. Yes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.